Google introduced Translate Community, which can help people bring their language and culture online. Google Translate Community could help to improve the accuracy and quality of Myanmar language online.
The reason that it's not accurate is we don't yet have enough examples of translation English to Myanmar. So what we thought of doing is working together with people here in Myanmar to improve the translation, and that is the Google Translation Community. Sure. So we basically use available text that's available on the internet in Myanmar language and in English language, and looking for patterns, trying to figure out, basically learning how to translate from other languages to Myanmar, back and forth. We also were very fortunate to receive a lot of help from the Myanmar Computer Federation. That helped us a lot in this process. With everything that we've done so far, we've been able to get to the basic level of Google Translate, working, providing some basic level of translation. But to bring it to the quality that we want, we just need a lot of help. So there's actually two ways people can help. One is they can join this Google Translate community and Myanmar Love Your Language event that we're having on Saturday. The second way is if you use Google Translate and do a translation and you think that translation is wrong, you can actually click the button and suggest a better translation. And the reason we picked Myanmar is since internet is relatively new to Myanmar, there isn't a lot of Myanmar content on the web, and as a result, the quality of the translation is, since we rely on content on the web, the quality is quite low. So it's actually one of our more challenging languages in that. So we chose a language that is more difficult for us to try to, as our first language for doing this Google Translate community.
Google Translate Community is a site that focuses on improving translation quality for 90 languages, which is to make translation results better.
So you can actually, if you have a phone, you can download Google Translate from the Play Store, or you can go to the Google Translate website and just translate text. The reason this is very useful is a lot of websites and content available right now are not yet in Myanmar language, so it allows Myanmar people to be able to read and understand information, even if it's not in Myanmar language, by translating it using Google Translate.
Right. Torah also. Okay.
People in Myanmar can now read text coming from any ASEAN country, translate to Myanmar. So you can look at text in Indonesian, translate to Myanmar. Text in Filipino, translated to Myanmar.
Document website to Myanmar.
This Translate community provides service for people since 2014 and helped them to share the rest of the world and build a web that works for them. Wakai Myanmar International Television.